Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Sketchup 2021 for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glide Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to import Autocad stair plan and make a staircase. In the previous tutorial we saw how to create a simple staircase, so we will continue with the Autocad plan. So now I am going to import my AutoCAD drawing here. So if I am going to my AutoCAD plan of this staircase, we'll learn how to extrude this in SketchUp and draw a staircase like this with the wall. So now I am going to import that file. So I have saved in my download folder. So I will go the file here and then I will import. Then I will go to my download folder and this I will select this staircase drawing, and this is in a AutoCAD file. So we should make sure that it should be selected AutoCAD file. So I'm going to select this and I will import this. Then I will close this, and this is our staircase here plan. So we are in plan view, and now I will tell you how to draw. So if you will follow my previous tutorial, you will understand it easily. So first thing that I am going to draw is the stage. So I will go to my rectangle tool here, and can also use line command here, and I will select this length here, and then I will use push pull tool here, and I will extrude this to 6 inches. Now after this is 1 2 3 4 5. Now I am going to select all of this, and will right click here, and I will make a group. Then again I will right click and I will make a component. After making components, next is that I will use move tool here, and I will create a copy. So I will enter control, I will press control on my keyboard, and then you can see this plus sign, and I will move this to this level, and then I will enter 4x on my keyboard, and we'll make this copy here. So 1 2 3 4, and this is 1 2 3 4 5. So we'll copy once more. So I'm going to press control, and then I will put this value so I can enter 5x. So now this region is created here, you can see, and now the next step is to create landing. So again I will go and select this rectangle tool, then again I will use push pull here, and I will take a slab width 6 inches height, and after this you can select everything. So I will select this, and then I will right click here and I will make group, and then I will make a component. So next stage is that will move this to this side. So I am going to use move tool here, and I will select this point, and I will take this to this side here. So now our landing is created. Now we will go to this part, and again I am going to use rectangle here, and I will use push pull, and I will take slab height as 6 inch. Now we'll select this, and I will right click here, and I will make a group, then again right click, and I will make a component. So I will move this to this side, and after this 1 2 3 4 we are required to create 4 copies here. So I am going to use this move tool here, and I will press control, and then I will move this to this right to create a copy, and then I will enter 4x 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So this is also completed. You can see here. Now we can create this landing. So these both landing are of same length and width. So we can copy this. We'll select this and I will use move and then control to make a copy of this. And I will move this to. So now this landing is also created. Next stage is that we create this like this. So I am going to use a rectangle. So this is very easy. And I will extrude this to 6 inches. And now again I will select everything and I will right click and make a group, and then I will make a component. So I will use move and move this to this level. Then we'll create a copy. So 1 2 3 4 5 copies are required. So I am going to use move tool and I will press control to make a copy, and then I will copy this to this level, and then I will enter 5x to make a copy. So this is how we have created this staircase using AutoCAD floor plan. Likewise, if you follow my previous tutorial, you can understand it easily. So this is not difficult. So now next stage that you can create this wall here, and if you want your, so this is how you can create folded staircase. And if you want your traditional one, I can select any of this component. Suppose I'm going to select this one. I will double click this and I will extrude this using push pull, and before that you are required to press control and you can bring this to this line here, and after this you will use pencil tool here and you can create a line. You can bisect this everything, and after this again push pull and you can click once. So likewise you can repeat this for this also. So I will tell you how. So again I am going to double click and I will use push pull here, and before that I will press control again to bisect this, and then I will use again pencil tool and I will bisect this and push pull again, and this flight is also created. So you can see. So for making this gap and use line tool here. So we can fill this gap here. Can use push pull. Sorry, control Z. You are required to come out of this. Now I am going to use this pencil line tool here and I will fill this gap and use push pull to fill this gap. So now this is also done here, and same you can repeat this for here also. So I am going to click on any of the component. I will double click here, then I will press control and then I will use push pull. I will use push pull first and then press control. You can see this plus sign. Now we'll use this pencil tool here and I will bisect this and then again push pull. So this landing is also completed. We'll come out of this. So this is the method how we can create this staircase from AutoCAD plan very easily. And now if you want to create stepping stones, you can follow the same process. I will show you once. And I am going to use stone material for my riser. You can use rectangle tool here and you can draw a rectangle here. You can use push pull and you can give stone height as 1 inch, and then again you can extrude this to some part of this here. So I'm going to enter 0.4 inch to this side and then I will orbit this and I will use push pull and I will enter 0.4 inch here. Now this is our stone. So now I'm going to use point arc here and I'm going to create a nosing profile. So use this one. So we have created this nosing and I will use push pull to drag this to other corner. So now we can create a component. So I am going to select everything and I will right click and I will make a group and then I will make a component. We'll apply a material first. So I'm going to apply any stone material here and it is applied. Now we'll make a copy of this. So I will show you these steps here. So I'm going to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 copy and you can follow after this. So I'm going to just, move this to this level. I will use move and then I will enter plus sign here, control, and then you can see this plus sign and you can ready to create copy. Then I will enter 4x and we can create copy like this of stones and move this little bit like this if you have some differences. Now we can copy this also, press control and you can select this one and you can move control to make a next copy here. So likewise you can do it for landing also and these steps also. So and after creating you can extrude this wall if you want and you can use this rectangle only or you can use this line tool also. So I'm going to use a rectangle here, and I will make a wall here by using push pull tool, and you can extrude this to, suppose I am going to enter 10 feet with wall height, and you can orbit, and you can create your next wall using this rectangle tool. You can create column also like this. And this also I am going to enter 10 feet. So this is very easy to follow. So you can practice this. This is very basics. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session, I will come with some more interesting topics in SketchUp for beginners.